Me Luis, today we have a cold morning, so we have this one is a 2018 QX60 Infiniti. We're gonna put a door glass because it was broken last night. So now on this one we see a couple of not many damage, but when the glass is broken you can see a couple of scratches, cuts, very small, like here, another one's over here. So it's really small damage, but it's gonna be fine. So today this is the first one I'm gonna do on this model. So we're gonna find out where all the bolts and screws is gonna be situated. So I think we have a cover here and cover here like the other Infinitis on Nissan. So we're gonna start pulling that one, so really careful, we don't want to damage anything. So we're gonna just insert a plastic tool here up by, there you go. So we're gonna open there, so we got 10 millimeters of Philip if you have it. I put the blanket here because the sun is in my face, so don't let me see anything here. So we're gonna start taking this one. Now this one, the control, something they're really attached to the panel, so I'm not gonna attempt it to pull out because we don't have any problem here. So now let's go with the cover. This one out. Now we're gonna pull this one. Remember, we're gonna open from here. There you go. I got that one out. Now we're gonna use the Philip to take this one out. There you go. And now we're gonna take the panel out because there's no more bolts and anything, the same like the Nissan. So let's gonna just pull something first to open it in the space right here on the bottom. And there you go. And go to the corner here. There you go. Just loosen. Now let's take this one out. Remember, like the old Nissan, just take this one out. And here. Slide in. Take them off. Slide in, take them off. The bolts go on the bottom, the pins go on the top. Take this one over here. Yeah, as you see, a couple of scratches on the panel right here, here. That's not much, but a couple of damage over here. Just never try to take this one out on this one, or you're gonna damage. Now, let's take this one out a little bit. I put my glasses because I don't want to have any glass on my eyes. Okay, and now let's take the work strip here. There you go. We're gonna have some glasses here, so that's why we put the blanket. For a moment. Okay, you see there's a regulator here. So this is the first one I do on the rear on the Infiniti, so it's not bad. So it's not the same like the old Nissan, so very simple. Comparing with the Maximas, they have the super plug regulator. I hate that one. Hope the sound is not hitting the camera, but I'm gonna take this one out because when I clean here I don't want to just make a cut. Some people cut this area and pull it out, but I don't like it. It's just take 2 bolts and that's it. And this way, something simple, and you can take this one without cut it or damage. Okay, so now we're ready. I'm gonna lose this one. Some wheels are different than another one, so I'm gonna see if this is the way. Because in some of rear glasses you have to take this one out, but sometimes I don't like it. Take more stuff, and let's see. Okay, let's take the water strip out just to clean up, and then make more room for the door glass in. There you go. A bunch of glasses here. It's a cold morning, so just careful when we're pulling stuff. on. I gotta blow with my air blowers just to make sure no glass is in the channel. You see, we gotta take those right there because we need room. Just careful, don't lose those. Oh, it's gonna be hard. This kind of screws are different than another ones. You will see. I don't have my magnet, but I lost it. You see the bolt? It's different than another one. This is a Lux. So just gonna put these ones right there. I don't use power aquí. I don't want to use powers. Alright. And now from inside, just put it down a little bit. That's enough. It's better because it's too cold, so I don't want to damage this part right there. Okay, we take the frame and let's see if that's the room enough, or maybe sometimes we have to take this plastic right here. The suitcase is moving right here, but I don't want to take it because it is a whole thing right here. Sometimes come with a little bolt, maybe one, but I don't want to just be involved and take this one out and maybe, you know, damage the clips or something. Let's see if I can fit the door in there, but maybe no. Probably I have to take this one out just to have the room to go inside the door. Okay, so after that everything is gonna be just very big. I'm gonna try in this way. I think it's gonna work. So let me use the regulator, the key, to roll the window down. There, guys. Now the 10 millimeters. Open this one a little bit. Just hold my leg. Okay guys, so I'm gonna vacuum inside, get everything clean, and soon I get it done, we back just to set the glass. We find out that we have to take this one out, or maybe no. Okay guys, see you next shot. Okay guys, so we already vacuum inside, so it's clean now. What I like with this design, you know, comparing with another Infiniti or another car, says the plug. See, we have a big hole right here, so you can just suck all the glasses from here, and the drainage for here. So I think it's more nice. Now we're gonna set the glass now. Some cars we have to take this one out, but some doesn't. Okay, so we're gonna try to go without take that one out because it's cold, so I don't want to involve in break clips or something, because remember some of this car has the clips and behind it got a bolt, a little screws just to take this one out, but I don't want to be involved in that. So I'm ready to set. I got my bolts already here, so two of these small ones, the rest you know where they go. And now we're gonna try this one right here. I put this one, see I got my glue here if in case I have to just, sometimes what I do is get a butyl tape, and this one, because sometimes this one, you know, it's too cold to stick. So what I do is put a little drop just right here and it stick. Or I have to put another piece of butyl tape, you know, more fresh, just to hold in place this one. Okay, if in case we need, because it's cold today. So let me get the door glass. Okay, remember this one is a 25564 YPY. This is the privacy door, so it's already in a car. So let's go and do it. So this one is really easy when it's from outside. What I'm doing, I'm gonna apply a little bit glass cleaner on this area, and a little more in this area right here. Okay, we already protect the outside. In this case the glass was clean, the water strip was clean already, they vacuumed before, so I don't have to protect this area. But what I'm doing, remember, you're gonna set this one here and that one right here, all the room you have, because we take the water strip out, and the only we have to do is pushing down a little bit slowly right there, and it's in already past this one, so nothing is going to be damaged. And just let's go inside, and let me get that one out a little bit more here, and we're almost there. Nothing is touching here, and we're in. All right, so we're already inside. And the only have to do here now is just put it in the rack, just one spot. I gotta move my regulator up a little bit, just right there. There you go, you got one bulb inside there. So now take this one. So remember, not all the time I have my job done at the before. This is the first one I do, and viewers for Infiniti. So but I think it's no big deal. It looks like the other Nissan, so another Infinitis, but sometimes the designs change a little bit. There you go. Let me put my bulb here because I forgot to open the switch. Let's put that one in here. There you go. Okay, that's all I need. Now I'm gonna go up. Let me get my key here. Switch back here. There's a little spot. There you go. Okay. Right there. And that's all. Okay, so now remember, sometimes these little white grease catch some glasses, just take them off before they go in and they make damage. There you go. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna just down a little bit. That's all. We're gonna put all the parts together and we're finished. Little white grease is a mess sometimes. Okay, so now we're gonna take this one out. You see, nothing was scratched, so it's clean, and all is in one piece. So let's now check this one out. Make sure no glasses in the channel. We're gonna put some water here. Right. Okay, and now for the last one we're going to put the trim. Remember the track, inside. we're gonna go up. Okay, now we're gonna go up here. Just right there. And the only have to do is just put my trim behind. Let's see if my camera is on my way, but let's make sure I can get it. Just right there. There you go, just line up. I got the wires behind here. And there you go. Okay, and now we only have for the panel, the bolts for the panel and the retainer panel right there. So we're gonna go down now and we finish. Let's go down behind a little bit this one right here, just for a second. Okay. Now let's put those little bolts, screws in, and we finish. Okay, now let's gonna put this one in place. Here. Okay, and the last part, and we're finished, guys. It's gotta be, that's not, it's like a little retainer, it's gotta be inside there. There you go, down, there you go. Alright. And finally, we're finished. That's normal. The noisy is inside the regulator, so the glass is gonna be crunching a couple of times. There you go. And we finished, guys. Okay. So probably somebody already got this one done before. They got a more faster technique, but this is my first one on these rears, so wasn't difficult, but it's nice. You see, it's perfectly, it's no scratches, it's clean. So we're finished, guys. Okay, so I have to just put the panels, everything back on place, and we're finished, guys. So see you in the next shot, because we have more work to do in body shops today. Okay, I have to only, the only have to do now is put my panel, the retainers, bolts, and we're finished. Okay, guys, see you next time.